Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Chrome full screen is not working. So I'm going to show you three methods to fix the problem. First one is just double click on the Chrome here, and as you can see the Chrome is now full screen. If this method doesn't work on your Chrome, then there is another method, and all you have to do is hold on to your shift key and right click your Chrome browser here, and after that just select maximize here. And as you can see, my Chrome is now is on full screen. And if this doesn't work, all you have to do is press the F11 key on your keyboard. Just press it, and as you can see it is on the full screen. And if you want to minimize it again, just press the F11 key again, and your Chrome will be minimized. So in this three way you can fix the problem. So this is the video, and I hope this is a useful video for you. And if this does help you, please consider subscribing to this channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.